You guys, so this is a setting powder and it's a new shade by Huda Beauty. It's called Cherry Blossom Cake. So you can see that it's actually pink rather than it being the normal like white or yellowish tone to it. And I feel like because it's actually pink, it brightens it a lot more. I know it might be a little scary, like you're wondering if it is going to come out pink, but it does not at all. It definitely brightens up the areas that you place this a lot more better than the whites. So another thing about another favorite thing about this is the way that they made it. So when you get it, this part is actually flat and then it's just a square. But I lifted it up, and when you turn it, it says to turn it right here to open close. When you turn it and you lift it up, the sponge is already on the lid. And then when you look on the inside, all you have to do is literally tap the product out, get it in there, and you don't have to like take it out anywhere or put it on the lid so you don't waste product. It's already inside here, and all you do is literally tap it and it goes on the sponge. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's so nice. I love this. I love the concept of this, the color of this. Yeah, this is perfect.